CIT University, tutoring interviewer environments, text-to-speech and speech-to-text. These are the team members of the interviewer bot. In terms of online interviews, this capstone project addresses some of the current trends and practices in AI. The team focuses on the structure and function of a simple interviewer bot, text-to-speech and speech-to-text, in an interview session. These are the pain points of the interview bot. Do not have an interview environment that can be used for practicing interview skills. Lack of confidence during a face-to-face interview requires manpower to score each interview session. Students find it hard to stand out in front of the recruiters. Face-to-face interview requires time and effort. These are the framework, APIs, and the programming languages used in building our project. The team used Dart programming language in Flutter framework in developing our mobile application. For web application, the team used Python as programming language. The team used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end. For the framework, the team used Django and Django REST framework. For APIs, the team used Responsive Voice and Web Speech API. The team also used Natural Language Toolkit text processing in implementing sentimental analysis. These are the features implemented in the software increment 2 and 3. The administrator can add a new staff account. Once created, the staff must verify their account through their email address. The newly created account is saved in the database. Then will be logged in immediately after clicking the verification link. The administrator can also create a new administrator account. Once created, the administrator must verify their account through their email address. It will be logged in immediately after clicking the verification link. The administrator can create a job offer. They have the option to use the default questions or not. They are required to input all the fields, including each question's timer and weight. After inputting all the fields, the administrator must click the Post button to successfully create a job offer. They can view, update, and delete the job offer. If a job offer is using the default 10 questions, they can only update its weight and timer. Since they have the highest level of account, they can also view, update, or delete a job offer about their administrators and staff. In updating a job offer, they are also required to input all the fields. The database will also be updated accordingly. If an administrator will delete a job offer, it will not be shown on the job list page of the administrators and staff. The deleted job will only be marked as deleted in the database, not completely deleted. For the staff, they can create a new staff account, same as the administrator. The only difference is that the staff can only create a new staff account, while an administrator can create both administrator and staff account. The staff can also create their own job offer. This feature is the same as what was presented in the administrator side. After clicking the Post button, the newly created job offer is directly saved in the database. The main difference between the administrator and staff account is that the staff can only view, update, or delete their own job offers. For the user side, they can apply or unsave a job offer in the Save Jobs tab. The user can only save at most 5 job offers. For the mobile part of the system, the team was tasked to implement some features that are in the web application. The user can only view, save, or unsave a job offer. Same as the web application, the user can only save at most 5 job offers. They can also update their profile complying that they enter the required fields. For the administrator and staff, they can only view their own job offers. The administrator and staff can also update their profile, the same with the user.